how to turn on or turn off View Full HDR of photos and videos on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Apps. Then we scroll down and tap on Photos. After that, scroll down, and in here we tap on View Full HDR. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And here said automatically adjust the display to show the complete dynamic range of photos and videos. So when you turn this on, you'll be able to view Full HDR in photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.